In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add a friend on Discord. And there is, I believe, like 2 or 3 methods to add friends. And we're going to start with the first one. And the first one is basically when you just click on friends and click on add friends. And you want to fill in their username and their tag. So to know your tag, you want to click on this right here. At the bottom, your name is there and your tag will just show up. For this account is 6489, and for this, my actual account is different. So first you want to fill in the name. So it's like this, and then you want to click hashtag and then add 6166. That is the tag of this account right here. You can click on send friend request, and it says filled because I already have this account as a friend, but you basically can just do it with any name and the hashtag. So also keep in mind, by the way, that capital letters do you have to fill in the capital letters. If that is the case, because that's the problem, because not because I already were friends with each other, but because I forgot the capital letter. So that is really important to know. The second method to do this is just go to a server, and when you see an account right here, you can just click on the account and right click on profile, and you can click right here, because this is a bot. It says send message, but normally right here add friend would pop up. Those are like 2 methods. What could also be the case if you would make a group chat. This would be like, if you create a group chat, and you can also add it right there. But that's actually all the same. You just gotta click on the profile. Just click on add friend. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.